In this video, I will show you how to manage the notification settings on Discord. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner. On the settings page, scroll down and tap Notifications. Here, you can manage various notification settings, including in-app notifications, system notifications, vibration, notification sounds, and event reminders, depending on your device and app version. Tap any option to customize it according to your preferences. You can enable or disable notifications, change notification sounds, or adjust other notification settings. Once you've finished making your changes, simply go back. Your settings will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed the notification settings on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.